Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily install and play Cuphead on your iPhone or iPad. That's right, you can finally experience this awesome retro-style, challenging platformer right in your pocket. Well, today's your lucky day. In this video, I'll show you how to install and play Cuphead on iOS safely, quickly, and without any headaches. So, let's jump right in. As you know, Cuphead only available on Flex Store. So you need to install and add your device on Flex Store. First of all, go to flexstore.com. Then click Get button to get started. Then click Share button and click Add to home screen. Then open Flex Store app on your home screen. Click Add device to connect Flex Store. Click Allow and go to Settings. General, hit Profile Downloaded. Then install Flex Store Profile Config. And now you have successfully connected on Flex Store. Once you're connected to the Flex Store, head over to the App section and search for Cuphead. Click on the Cuphead icon and then tap Install to get it on your device. Make sure your iPhone or iPad at least 4 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Cuphead is a beautifully animated game, and it needs a little power to run well. Click on the Cuphead icon and then tap Install to get it on your device. Wait a few moments until the install message appears. Click Install. And guess what? Cuphead will automatically be installed on your iPhone or iPad. Just make sure you have a good internet connection to download this awesome game. Once installed, open the game, and boom, you're in the action. The iOS version includes the full game, beautifully optimized for touch controls. Or connect a Bluetooth controller for a more classic feel. Boss fights, run and gun levels, and that signature jazz soundtrack, all right at your fingertips. To install Cuphead on your iDevice, make sure you already have a certificate connected to the Flex Store. If you don't have a certificate, you can get a developer certificate at a super affordable price on the Flex Store. Guess what? Cuphead is only available on the Flex Store, not on the App Store. So, only this way if you want to play Cuphead on your iOS devices. Download Cuphead from the Flex Store now. Play instantly, no jailbreaks, no weird workaround. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mobile gaming guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck battling the devil.